Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel where we talk about music, travel, and history. In this video, we are going to discuss about notes, rests, and rhythmic patterns. So, stay tuned! Now listen to this song. This song is If Ye Love Me by Thomas Tallis. It is already ancient, and it has been sung since 1565 during the reign of Elizabeth I. Do you ever wonder why until now singers and musicians can still sing or play this song? It is because music is preserved by writing it down in a sheet music. A sheet music is a musical document where you can see different musical symbols that dictates how a song should be sung or played. Let us try to learn some of the musical symbols found in the sheet music by singing a popular Malay folk song called Rasa Sayang, or in English, Loving Feeling. Sing with me. Rasa sayang, hey, rasa sayang, sayang, hey, hey, lihat nona jauh, rasa sayang, sayang, hey, rasa sayang, hey, rasa sayang, sayang, hey, hey, lihat nona jauh, rasa sayang, sayang, hey. Now let us study some of the symbols that are found in the sheet music of the song. In a sheet music, you often see these symbols. These are the notes and rests. Notes and rests determine the rhythm of the song. The notes are the beats that we hear, while the rests are the beats that we cannot hear, but we can feel. There are different notes and rests with different symbols. These are the following notes and rests that you need to know. This is the whole note. The whole note has 4 long beats. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4 long beats. This is the whole rest. If the whole note has 4 long beats, the whole rest has 4 long silent beats. We cannot hear those 4 long silent beats, but we can feel them like this. This is the half note. The half note has 2 long beats like this. 1, 2, or ta. On the other hand, this is the half rest. Like the half note, the half rest has 2 long silent beats like this. This is the quarter note. The quarter note has 1 beat. It goes like this. Ta. On the other hand, this is the quarter rest. The quarter rest has 1 silent beat like this. This is the 8th note. If you can see, the 8th note is just like the quarter note, but you can see a tail or a flag on top of the quarter note. That makes the 8th note. The 8th note has 1/2 beat and goes like this. T. It is faster than the quarter note. Again, it goes like this. T. This is the 8th rest. Just like the 8th note, the 8th rest also has a tail or a flag. 1 tail or 1 flag. And it is faster than the quarter rest, like this. This is the dotted half note. The dotted half note is just like the half note, but it has a dot beside it. Now what happens if a note has a dot? The dot there represents half of the original count of the note. If the original count of the half note is 2, half of 2 is 1. And if we combine 2 and 1, it makes 3 long beats. So the dotted half note has 3 long beats like this. 1, 2, 3, or ta. Then this is the dotted half rest. Just like the dotted half note, the dotted half rest has 3 silent beats like this. This is the dotted quarter note. Just like the dotted half note, the dot in the dotted quarter note represents half of the original count or beat of the quarter note. So if a quarter note has 1 beat, half of it is 1/2. That means the dotted quarter note has 1 1/2 beat. Same goes with the dotted quarter rest. It has 1 1/2 silent beat. So remember, these notes and rests, their symbols, and the number of beats each notes and rests have. These notes and rests are nothing if we don't combine them together. And if we combine notes and rests like this, they form a rhythmic pattern. A rhythmic pattern is very important, especially when you play beats or rhythm, because it will guide you on how to play your part, how to play your rhythm. Let's try to play or clap this rhythmic pattern. Now, in the rhythmic pattern, you can see a whole note and a dotted half note. Again, a whole note has 4 counts, and a dotted half note has 3 counts. So if we're going to play it, we are going to count the number of beats in each note like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's how you play this rhythmic pattern. Let's also try this rhythmic pattern. We can see a quarter note, a half note, and a quarter note again. Remember, a quarter note has 1 beat. A half note has 2 beats. So when we are going to play it, it will go like this. 1, 1, 2, 1. Again. 1, 1, 2, 1. Now let's check this rhythmic pattern. It has a quarter rest, again, which has 1 silent beat, and a half note, which has 2 beats. So when we play it, it goes like this. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. In this rhythmic pattern, you can see that there are unfamiliar notes. The first and second note that you see are just 2 8th notes being placed side by side. Remember that an 8th note has a tail. And if we combine, or if we place 2 8th notes side by side, we can connect each of their tails together, like what you see in the example. So, remember that an 8th note has a half beat, or 1/2 beat. So when we clap it, it goes like this. T. So 2 8th notes, T, T. 4 8th notes, T, 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 T. And then the next note that you see is a half note which has 2 counts. 1, 2. So when we clap, or when we perform this rhythmic pattern, it will go like this. T, 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 1, 2. Again. T, 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 1, 2. Or T, 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 ta. So, there you have it. In order for you to know how to perform a rhythmic pattern, you need to know the different notes and rests and the number of beats they have. To check if you really understood what we have talked about in this video, try to answer this activity. Really? Comment your answers in the comment section below. So, that's it for now. See you in my next video. Bye!